Hi, this is Renee Olivia, and today we are diving into the side-by-side comparison of the original SALLOOT iGlow 10 to the new device that they've come out with. It's called the Trinity i15 Pro. And spoiler alert, it isn't just a small upgrade, so let's get into it. But first, if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. On this channel, I love to talk about beauty, skincare routines, fashion, anything to do with midlife fashion, beauty, all of that, and also trying to live your best life in midlife. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into it.
Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing. In the box, you're gonna find the device itself, the protective glasses, a razor, and a cleaning cloth.
Let's go ahead and take a look at both of the devices. This is the new Trinity i15 Pro, and this is the original iGlow 10. As you can see, the newer upgraded version is slightly larger, but let's get into the efficiency first. The Trinity i15 Pro uses a dual light system that covers 4.2 centimeters squared.
I love this upgrade because it's a 5 times faster flash speed and a 30% larger coverage, allowing quicker treatment and faster results after one session.
With 100 watts of power, it delivers the highest energy output on the market. Talking about 27 joules per 4 pulse burst, thanks to its powerful PHR mode. What does that mean? It means you get up to 97% hair reduction in just 2 weeks, whereas the original was up to 4 weeks. So that is a huge upgrade. When testing both of these devices on the skin, the i15 Pro is faster. The i15 Pro flashes at 0.15 seconds per flash, which is 400 flashes per minute, whereas the iGlow 10 maxes out at 200 flashes per minute. So what that means to you is the i15 Pro will take about 5 to 10 minutes on your full body treatment, whereas the original iGlow 10 would take about 10 minutes or longer for a full body treatment. Now let's talk comfort. Both of these devices are pain-free, and that's because of their sapphire cooling system. Now, with the upgrade, as you can see, this area of the sapphire cooling area is larger on the i15 Pro. This features SALLOOT's new sapphire tech with a 16.6 centimeter cooling area. That's up from the 12 centimeter cooling area on the original. The i15 Pro stays ice cold for a full hour, whereas the iGlow 10 would stay cold for roughly around 35 minutes. So that means this is very safe on sensitive skin like armpits, your face, or even your bikini area as well. If you have thick, coarse hair, this PHR mode right here is gonna be your new best friend.
So this PHR mode is really great for men or anyone who has really coarse hair. You're going to want to shave the area and pick the PHR mode, and then you're ready to go. And this is going to have your 4 pulses because it's a much more powerful mode. And again, it's going to get that really, really coarse hair that's really stubborn. And also, it's really easy to maneuver because of the ergonomic design, but always remember to wear your protective glasses.
That mode uses a 4 pulse burst. specifically designed to tackle that really stubborn hair, which is actually perfect for men or anyone dealing with really dense, coarse, thick hair. The AI15 Pro connects to the AI Coaching HR app, which gives you a customized treatment plan, results tracking, and personalized reminders. Basically, it's your smart IPO coach. Now let's talk about the design features. The i15 Pro does have the 30-degree ergonomic angle, which makes it super easy to hold and to maneuver around different body parts. Compact design makes it perfect for travel.
There are so many benefits to the Trinity i15, but here are my favorite. It gives you salon quality results at an affordable price, and with my discount, it's even more affordable. You can do the treatments in the convenience of your own home. It's pain-free, and the results are super fast.
Here is a side-by-side comparison showing the differences between the iGlow 10 and the Trinity i15 Pro. Okay, so let's summarize the differences between the Trinity i15 Pro and the Trinity iGlow 10. Both are super efficient. Use the AI Coaching Smart app. Now, with the Trinity i15 Pro, you're going to have the dual lights compared to the single lights with the iGlow 10, which makes the Trinity i15 Pro about 40% larger. And another difference with the Trinity i15 Pro is you're going to have the PHR mode, which is powerful hair removal mode, which has 4 pulse bursts. The Trinity iGlow 10 does not have that mode. And you're going to have 100 watts of power with the Trinity i15 Pro as compared to 80 watts with the original. And another great difference with the upgraded Trinity i15 Pro is it's going to have faster results. So you're going to see results up to 2 weeks with the new upgrade as opposed to up to 4 weeks with the original. Also with the Trinity i15 Pro, it's going to stay cold longer, about an hour as opposed to 30 to 35 minutes with the Trinity iGlow 10. And one other thing I want to point out is the Trinity i15 Pro, again, is going to have the 400 pulses per minute as opposed to 200 pulses per minute. Again, it's going to give you a quicker turnaround. And the full body treatment will be done in about 5 to 10 minutes with the new upgraded Trinity i15 Pro as opposed to approximately 10 minutes with the original. Now let's talk pricing. The price of the upgraded version, the Trinity i15 Pro, is going to be $379, but with my discount, Olivia 140, you will get $140 off of that. So that is an excellent deal. But this one, if you're on more of a budget, you can get this one, the original, for $329. So that's the differences between the two. I have to tell you, I'm really loving the upgraded version. I think they did an excellent job. The other thing I want to mention is there is a 100-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with the results, you can get your money back. Bottom line, the Trinity i15 Pro is simply not just an upgrade. It's a game changer. If you're ready to level up your beauty routine, definitely go to the description box and click the link, check it out, and use my discount code because it is an excellent deal. And if you have any questions at all, just leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.